finally back fishing, and I'm with the girls today. Alejandra's asleep, Adeline's right there, and we got their rods in case they want to try. Got the LOL Surprise and the My Little Pony and the Ugly Stick. Alright, first cast. Alright, ready? First cast after being gone for a while. Careful, it's muddy. I got something. What the hell is that? Dude, what is that? I don't even want to touch that. It's like plastic or something. Oh. Come on. We're on to something. Are you ready? Oh, it's a little striper. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, he snagged. He's not hooked in enough. I think he was passing really close to it and got snagged on it. Alright, so alright. We're gonna eat him. Ready? Yep, third cast or so, probably more than that. But we got a little striper.
I want to get my rod.
We're gonna let Adeline try her rod. Gonna put her on this little fish. This part, I'm gonna bend it in case you get it stuck in you. Like if you accidentally get the hook in you, it'll be easy to get out.
Yeah, but would it hurt?
Well, yeah, because you're gonna get a hook, so just don't get the hook in you. But if I don't bend that, then you can't take it out easily. That's why I'm bending it. First attempt. You haven't fished in a while, right?
Yeah.
And you have a real swim bait with a real hook on it, so do not hook yourself. All right, go. Oh. Not bad. Okay, now just reel it in fast. And then you're gonna just keep throwing it over and over. Alright, and then I heard something. So you're gonna throw it right down the middle. Alright, second cast, right down the middle.
I didn't.
Just reel it in now. Alright, so I'm going off to the edge over here. Adeline's getting the middle on the swim bait. All right, we're on fish 2. Yeah, whoa, that feels bigger. If it's 20, we're gonna take it. If so far, I would say it is. Holy shit! All right. Ooh, right on the lip. Perfect. Forgot my real tape measure, so I have to use this shit.
So could we take it home?
No. It is 18. Looks like 18. So yeah, we can't take it. I wanted to take it if it was 20 or higher. It's not, so we're just gonna throw it back.
Wait, but can I feel it first? Get that guy.
All right, see you later.
Wait, can I hear it?
All right, let's let it go. No, there he goes. All right, let's try a few more, and then we're gonna call it because it's starting to get windy and it's gonna be dark soon, and we might go to the playground. All right, we'll be back. All right, just gonna try this spot just to see. Oh, I just lost it. Oh, fucking shit. That sucks. I was literally on a fish, but I couldn't get the cap off the GoPro. So while I was struggling with that, I just lost it. Let's try again. Oh no, that was a terrible cast. That was literally the first cast at this spot, and I was on a fish. And lost it to technical difficulties. This thing. I was trying to take this off, and it was stuck on there pretty damn good. I literally had a fish, and because of my struggle with the cap, I totally lost it. Oh, there we go. Hopefully it's the same one. Woo! See, I told you I wasn't fucking lying. Not fucking around. And, oh shit, this guy's big. Come on, we're keeping a 20-inch only. Oh man, this looks tiny. Oh, Adeline, I got one. All right, I'm not even gonna measure this one because it definitely looks smaller. Okay. All right, well, 3 for the day is not bad, even though I lost one. It kind of sucks, but whatever. Whoa, thought I got another one. But yeah, it's a nice day today. It feels good to be back. Got outside, got some fish, and yeah, thanks for watching.